Oh, I see you now.
There we are. Right there, folks. Back here at East Brunswick. Doing a little aerial dance up here with the Hexa and the tricopter. Jaun, MrBlazinBones Hexa, and Teek's tricopter, the Ferrari of tricopters.
I'm dead.
Oh, yeah, you are dead.
Battery.
Oh shit, that didn't break. That folded because it's loose.
I think it's him.
Well, it's been a day of crashes today, folks. If not, we got it on here. Did you get him crashing? Look at it, you like the eye in the sky there. It's alright? Nice. Broke the prop? Better broken prop than frame. So the prop took most of the brunt of it. That's good. Spin it to see if you didn't bend the shaft. Ah, looks good. Thing's tough. There you go, folks. Does that thing got a name? No, I mean the guy who originally designed it. Hall Studio?
Matt Hall.
Matt Hall. Well, then kudos to Mr. Mac Hall. If I can find his link, I'll link it to his YouTube for you. Hey, there we go. We got the eye in the sky over here. The Hexa with all the bling bling on it. Blinged out.
You put your whole hand in that box. That's right.
Yo, you do have the bottle rockets on there, right? Because we got to go to Dito to use as target practice. Do like a flyby, you know, like one of them descending runs, and then just like fire off 2 rockets. That would be kind of cool. You're just dying to go through a tree, aren't you? In between the trees.
No, I'm in the pit now.
You know, from this distance and height, it's hard to tell.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I see it, yeah. It's just, I mean, you can't tell how close you are to the tree.
I want to see if I lose reception.
No, you won't. 1.3 goes right through the ground.
Can you see me?
No, you're gone.
I'm losing there, though. There I can.
Oh, wow, that's supposed to go through the ground.
Oh, you know why? Because I was facing myself and the antennas were back.
Could be.
Where are you? I'm in the pit.
He's inside the pit.
Going up TV inside another pit. We're in proximity, baby.
Look at that. That is so sharp. Look at that. That is really cool. He's got it dialed in, working perfect. He's honed his skills. Through the trees, bro. You got that? You got those 2 trees to go through. Come on, man! Shoot up the fire rockets. Two feet above the ground. Is that your timer? How close to the table can you get?
Fucking wind, bro. It's picked up a lot, bro.
Yeah, it's been like this all morning. It's getting worse, it seems like. Wow, man, 1.5 feet, 2 feet up from the table. Good job, bro. Nice!
That's how I do, son.
There you go, folks. That's Jaun's DJI 550.
Ain't no got grapplers on
Nah, you don't need them, man. All blinged out. Hope you enjoyed that, folks. Got any comments or any suggestions? Go ahead and post them down below. Catch you later.